can get this open. Oh, it's like knotted. Okay, it's just a little bow. Okay, still can't get it open. Hey angels, welcome back, and if you're new, welcome. My name is Charlie B. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of Joiful B as well as my wash day routine. So let's get into that. So I really love the packaging first and foremost. The bees all over the box, super cute. I opened the box quickly just to see what was in it, but I haven't really fully unboxed it. Comes with this little card here, and it gives you the perfect wash day instructions and how to use each of the products. You get a spray bottle or a mister, a detangling brush. I've seen this used. I've seen this being used in many places. I've never used one like this, so I'm pretty excited to see how it detangles my hair. If I can get this open. Oh, it's like knotted. Okay, it's just a little bow. Okay, still can't get it open. Then it comes with this little head wrap towel. It's like kind of like the same material that a Turby twist is made out of, if you've ever had one. It's kind of like that terry cloth fabric. It's really nice and soft, and everything's branded so well. It's actually bigger than a Turby twist, so I love that because it can probably hold my hair better. It has this conditioning cap, which is kind of heavy. I'm not sure how. I've never used really like a conditioning cap like this. Most of the time when I'm deep conditioning my hair, I would literally just put a normal shower cap on and just chill or deep condition overnight. According to the instructions with this conditioning cap, you place the cap in the microwave for like 30 seconds. You flip it inside out and microwave it for another 30 seconds. And then you apply your deep conditioner, a plastic cap to your hair. And then you place this microwaved cap over your head for 20 minutes. So pretty excited to see how that works. This hairstyle has been in my hair for about a month or more, and that's not like me, so I really haven't washed my hair much. I've been on the go, and normally I would change my hair up like every 2-3 weeks max, but just wasn't having it. The last thing that comes in the box is this, I forgot the name of this thing. It's basically like a massager, right? So when you like shampoo your hair, you use it to massage your scalp. It's really cute. I actually already had one like this, but this one is like, it feels better. The one that I have is hard, where this one feels like silicone, so it's not as hard on my scalp. Yeah, that's all. I'm pretty excited to use all these products. I discovered them through a sponsored ad on Instagram. I really wasn't sure. I've never heard of the brand before that. Now it's popping up on my feed a little bit more, but before that, I didn't know much about the brand. So I'm really happy that I got my stuff pretty fast, and you get all of this. And at the time they had like this deal where you can get everything for like $75 or $65 plus shipping, whatever, and normal price value I think is like 100 and something. So that was great. Now I'm going to get into my wash day routine. I'm going to start by actually taking these out, so I'll be back. Okay, so my hair is all out now. As you can see at my roots, it is super dirty. I like to use my Mielle Organics pre-shampoo treatment. First, I just spray it on my scalp and kind of massage it in before I wash my hair out. It just gives your hair like a nice little conditioning before you put the shampoo on it, because as a lot of us know that shampoos tend to like strip your hair of its like oils and stuff, so it's just like a little conditioning supplement before you actually shampoo your hair. It comes in this bottle, but I put it in a little spray bottle just so I can just spray it on my scalp. And I part my hair in 4 sections. It might not look like that right now, but it is. I haven't detangled my hair or anything because I don't like to detangle my hair dry. You can leave this in your hair for a few minutes. There's no like set time. You don't have to wash it out before you shampoo your hair. You go directly into shampooing after your pre-poo treatment. So now that I have my hair all sectioned off and I'm putting my pre-poo, I'm just going to wash my hair. I use different collections out of the Mielle Organics products. I don't use like all the same collection. I use whatever goes with my hair and what I deem fit to like strengthen it or help it along the way, especially because I wear like wigs and braids a lot, so whatever will strengthen my hair is what I go with. So let's take it to the bathroom, get this hair all shampooed and clean. Now I'm going to take my Mielle Collection Rosemary Mint Strengthening Shampoo and just wash out my hair. I like to use this shampoo because, one, it's a strengthening shampoo, and I plan on putting a wig on after this. So it's just good to keep my hair strong and not leave it like dry and brittle. Like I stated previously, I'm just going in with my Rosemary Mint shampoo and the Joiful Bees scalp massager, trying to just lather my hair and get as much gunk off my scalp as I can. I then go in with a second shampoo, and as you can see in the second shampoo, my hair got lathered up a little bit more. Now I'm just rinsing out all the shampoo, and the next step is conditioner. Okay, so after I wash out my shampoo, I go in with my rice water conditioner from Mielle again, and I just part my hair in 4 and start to apply the conditioner to the shafts of my hair. You're gonna continuously see me bending down because my conditioner is below me. I learned that conditioner is more for the shafts of your hair and not really your roots or your scalp, so I try to just cover the shafts of my hair, not really worry about my roots too much. You can see that I still had an undercut in this video in the back, so I was trying to get that covered as well. After I finished conditioning my hair, I just put a plastic cap on and then threw on my Joyful Bees conditioning cap. I did go downstairs and microwave it before I applied it. So my next step was just detangling my hair. I tried to use the detangling brush that came in the Joyful Bees box, but I was struggling. I started to finger detangle my hair because I just couldn't figure out how to properly use that brush. And eventually I just switched over to using a wide tooth comb because I didn't have time to struggle. I just went to what I knew. My camera died whilst I was detangling my hair. After I finished detangling it, all I did was rinse out the conditioner, parted it in 4, and put my towel, my Joyful Bee towel on my head. My next step is just to add in some leave-in conditioner. I'm using the Miel Collection's Hawaiian Ginger moisturizing leave-in conditioner just because I am going to be putting a wig on my head, so I just want to make sure my hair has a lot of moisture. On the perfect wash day little flyer that comes in the box, she says just mix water and your favorite oil in the spray bottle and use it daily just to like refresh your curls, etc. So I did that, even though my hair will be underneath a wig, and I just mixed it with my wild growth oil, my Miel's rosemary and mint oil, which is what I normally put in between my braids when I do my wigs. I have a video on how I install my wigs, so you guys can go ahead and check that out. And then I use my rice water split end therapy oil. So I mix all of that into this one bottle, and then I'm just gonna spray it on my head, put in a little leave-in conditioner, and braid my hair back. So that's my wash day routine, guys. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that bell. I'll see you guys next time.